Okay, so now we're gonna have a long class. We are going to talk about different plumbing words and phrases. So if you ever need something related to plumbing in your house and the person speaks Spanish, or you happen to be in a Spanish-speaking countries, this can be helpful. So let's try it out. So the word for plumbing is plomería, which means plumbing. Plomería. So yeah, you can see a lot of similarities. Plomería, plumbing. Plomería, plomería. And the next example, the next words. Then we have el grifo. El grifo. So el grifo refers to the faucet, like that, exactly the thing on the picture, basically that thing. El grifo, the faucet. El grifo, that you spin around or up and down. El grifo, the faucet. And then we have el tomacorriente, the outlet. So the word tomacorriente is basically two different words. Toma, to take, and corriente, like current, like electricity current. Like, you know how electricity travels through like a current or something? I might be thinking in Spanish. So yeah, el tomacorriente, the thing that takes current, electric current. Okay, I think I'm speaking in Spanish. But yeah, el tomacorriente, the outlet, the electric outlet. El tomacorriente. And the next example, la cerradura, the lock. La cerradura, the lock. La cerradura. So yeah, cerradura, basically, the thing on the picture, basically, cerradura. And one more time, el grifo, the faucet. El tomacorriente, the outlet. La cerradura, the lock. So cerradura comes from the verb cerrar, to close. La cerradura, the lock, basically the closing mechanism. La cerradura. And the next word is el trapeador, which means the mop. El trapeador. Some people change the word E, the letter E for I, and they would say el trapeador, con el trapeador, el trapeador. So both are correct actually. You can use with letter E or letter I, trapeador or trapeador. So basically the mop, el trapeador. The next one is la cubeta, the bucket. La cubeta, the bucket. La cubeta. And the third one is la escoba, the broom. La escoba, the broom. Escoba. So yeah, el trapeador or trapeador, the mop. La cubeta, the bucket. La escoba, the broom. So yeah, let's try the next words. Then we have la alfombra, the carpet. La alfombra, the carpet. So yeah, this can be like the carpet on the picture, or maybe your floor is all carpet. So we would also say la alfombra, the carpet. And the next word is los ladrillos, the bricks. Los ladrillos, the bricks. And the third one, el cable, the cable. El cable. So one more time, la alfombra, the carpet. Los ladrillos, the bricks. And el cable, the cable. El cable. Okay, and the next one. So yeah, this is a hard lesson. There's a lot of vocabulary in this one. The first one is los tubos, which means the tubes. And or you can say las tuberías. which also refers to the tubes, las tuberías. But tuberías kind of refers to the drain tubes, actually, the big drain tubes. Las tuberías, the drain tubes. If you say la tubería, it would be the drain, la tubería. So yeah, los tubos means tubes. Some people will call them las tuberías, the drain tubes. And la tubería is the drain, la tubería. So yeah, a lot of words here. The next example is las tejas, the roof tiles. Las tejas, the roof tiles. And it sounds like Texas. So yeah, maybe that's a way you can remember them. In Texas, houses have tiles. So las tejas, I guess that's a way to remember. Las tejas. So yeah, actually, if you write the word Texas in Spanish, it's with a letter J. Tejas. Tejas with a J. So yeah, but you have to capitalize the letter T for Texas. So yeah, that's how you tell a difference. And the next one, las tablas, the planks. Las tablas. So yeah, basically the planks. Las tablas, the wooden planks. Or anything that's, it can even be yeah. Tablas mostly refers to wooden planks. Okay, and the next one. Los tubos, let's try once again. Los tubos or las tuberías, las tejas, las tablas, and a few more words. It's a long lesson. Then we have gotear, which means to drip. Gotear, to drip. Gotear. So it comes from the word gota, which means a drip. Gota, una gota, a drip of water. Yeah, basically one water drip, one water circle bubble. La gota, gota de agua, the water bubble. And so yeah, it basically comes from that, gotear, to drip. And the next one, dañada. Dañada means damaged. Dañada, it has been damaged. Fue dañada. Dañada, damaged. Okay, so finally, time for the examples. The first example would be cierra el grifo de la llave. Close the tap of the faucet. Cierra el grifo de la llave. Close the tap of the faucet. So grifo is basically the thing on the picture. And the next one. Let's try the next one. Conecta el cable al tomacorrientes. Plug the cord into the outlet. Conecta el cable al tomacorriente. Plug the cord into the outlet. Conecta el cable. Connect the cable. Conecta el cable. Let's go back to this one. Cierra el grifo de la llave. This is a little bit weird the way it's written, but yeah, close the tap of the water of the faucet basically. Llave means, you can also say cierra la llave del grifo. You can kind of move them around. Cierra la llave del grifo. Cierra el grifo de la llave. Something like this. It's a little bit weird. I would probably say it's better to say cierra la llave. Yeah, this is the most common one. Cierra la llave. Basically, close the tap, basically. Cierra la llave. Or cierra el grifo. Cierra la llave. Because this is the most common one. If you're taking a shower and you let the water on, they say cierra la llave del baño. Cierra la llave. So the most common one is more referred to la llave. So it's kind of like the tap, the faucet. Cierra la llave. Close the thing, la llave. Okay. And the next one. Mete la llave en la cerradura para cerrarla. So in this case, llave can refer to the water thing, the water faucet, la llave de agua, or the key, la llave, the key. So yeah, in this case, it says put the key in the lock to close it. Mete la llave en la cerradura para cerrarla. Mete la llave, put the key in la cerradura, in the lock, para cerrarla, to close it. So yeah, we're getting into more advanced levels here. And the next one. Los niños usan el trapeador para trapear el piso. The children use the mop to mop the floor. Los niños usan el trapeador para trapear el piso. So in Spanish, we divide them into trapeador being the mop thing, and trapear to mop. But in English, you use the same two words for the action and the thing, the mop, the object. But in Spanish, there are two different words. The next example. Hay muchos pescados en la cubeta. There are many fish in the bucket. Hay muchos pescados en la cubeta. There are many fish in the bucket. And another example. Puedes usar la escoba para barrer el piso. You can use the broom to sweep the floor. Puedes usar la escoba para barrer el piso. So yeah, you can use the broom to sweep the floor. Escoba, it means the broom. Barrer means to sweep. Barrer, sweep. Escoba, broom. And another example. En Irán venden alfombras de muy buena calidad. In Iran, they sell very good quality carpets. En Irán venden alfombras de muy buena calidad. So yeah, Iran means in Iran, the country. Venden alfombras, they sell carpets of very good quality. De muy buena calidad. Okay. And the next one. Esta pared está hecha de ladrillos. This wall is made of bricks. Esta pared está hecha de ladrillos. This wall is made of bricks. So yeah, pared means the wall, ladrillos, bricks. Está hecha, to be made. Another example. Está goteando la tubería. The pipe is leaking. Está goteando la tubería. So yeah, tubería means the tube. And so yeah, basically the tube is leaking. The pipe is leaking. The pipe tube is leaking. Goteando, to leak. And the next one. El huracán dañó las tejas y tablas de la casa. The hurricane damaged the tiles and boards of the house. El huracán dañó las tejas y tablas de la casa. The hurricane damaged, dañar, to damage, las tejas, the tiles, and boards, y tablas, de la casa. Tablas means the boards, or basically the boards of the house. Las tablas, the planks of the house. And that's it for this one. It's a little bit long, and maybe you should check out the Quizlet because there's a lot of vocabulary in this one. So, as always, thanks for watching. So now it's your turn to practice Spanish. You can find the lessons Quizlet by going into the lecture resources folder. Thanks for watching.